How to flip your camera on OBS. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can flip our camera on OBS Studio app. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you are using a webcam on your OBS Studio just like this, and then because of the front camera, your display might appear left to right. Now, you might want to flip horizontally or vertically, depending upon what you want to do. Once you have your video been playing, which is your webcam, of course, just right click on that video here and you should be able to see different sort of options here. Otherwise, what you can do is you can select that, then right click. So first make sure to select that, then right click, then here you'll find the option called transform. Then under transform, you can choose to flip horizontal, which will move your front camera from left to right and which will now make it more accurate than before. This way you should be able to flip your camera on OBS. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial and see you soon in our next video.